Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, then hi, my name is Bobbi and I do beauty things. Mostly cost-effective beauty things. And this time today I am doing, that is my passion, but today I love to understand numbers. And I'm gonna bring you guys some analytics in the way in which I understand it. I've done YouTube for quite a few years, but I've only been taking it seriously basically for the last year and a half. So in that year and a half, I learned so much about SEO, and which stands for search engine optimization, if you didn't know, which is the type of search engine that Google or YouTube uses. As most of us know, Google owns YouTube, and so they are kind enough to give us all of these numbers to let us know what's happening on our channel and why. So if you don't know how necessarily to read these numbers, mostly for beginners, then go ahead and keep watching and let's figure it out together. Okay, so I have a video, and my last video that I will link right here was on traffic source. So if you're interested in traffic source, open it up in another tab and watch it right after this one. So geography. In this video, we're gonna go over geography, viewer age, and viewer gender. And I'm gonna share my findings over the last 90 days of my channel. Okay, so basically over the last 90 days, if I narrow the search to the last 30 days as far as geography, it shows me that people in the United States are the only ones watching my channel. However, I think that there's a really good something to be said for a full scope, not just a month's time. So for the past almost 3 months, I have had viewers from the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and Russia. So these numbers tell me basically what kind of viewer I'll need to be targeting. So I market myself mostly towards Americans because that's the kind of demographic that I understand the best. So I'm extremely marketable to Americans and people who live in the United States, but people from other countries maybe don't get a lot of the colloquialisms that I might say, things that I might reference, stuff like that, or maybe the way in which I speak isn't conducive to their ears. Okay, so maybe that's it. Maybe they're like, oh, this fucking American honky, get her out of here. I don't want to watch that kind of content from somebody in America. Who knows? So basically that's what I have found. And if I can get my camera to focus, I'll show you guys right here. So guys, I don't know how to do that whole screen share thing, so I'm just gonna show you and point. Okay, so the blue line right here, it will show you is United States, and then the other ones are also color coordinated, and this is on a line chart, and it goes past for the past 90 days. This date right here is August 15th, and this date over here is November 12th, which was yesterday. So the green is the United Kingdom, which their views spiked the highest for me on September 26th. Thank you guys in the United Kingdom. And I have a total of this many views, 3,463 views. But most of that is coming from the United States, if you can see. And then my total watch hours in hours are this many from mostly the United States. And then secondary in watch hours is Canada. So thank you, Northern brothers and sisters. See, and also in Canada, they're watching more of my video specifically. So maybe my particular kind of humor or my particular kind of vernacular, anything like that. Maybe that resonates with people in Canada more, because the people, Americans only watch 5 minutes and 14 seconds on my video on average. This averages out everybody from every single country. So that's where these numbers come from, but these are more country specific numbers down here. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the next one, which is viewer age. So viewer age is way more specific. Viewer age is, you know, it, even though it's not as fun as geography, it basically will help you target your audience, your main audience. Most of my audience for the past month has been within the 45 to 54 age range, which is crazy because normally in person, those kind of women don't normally like me. At least the ones in Oklahoma don't. So, but within the last 90 days, if I pull up a spec of the last 90 days, which is what I'm telling you about, that way we can get a more well-rounded number scope. I have, for the most part, okay, so women within the 45 to 54 age range, they watch a longer duration of my videos. And that could be because one of my videos that does the best is my 30% glycolic chemical peel video, which, you know, I'm not mad at it. I have a different chemical peel video that's gonna come out maybe in a week or two. But secondary to that would be people within the age range of 25 to 34 years of age. So they're watching it next, but it jumps down drastically the time duration in which they're on my video. So you can see how that can help you with your analytics. It can help you with your videos and help you know how to gear your videos towards a specific audience, because you always want to pander to your audience. Basically, I have people within my age range, which I'm 31, so I have a lot of people in my age range watching my videos, and then people who are a little bit above my age range watching my content. Now, honestly, within the last 90 days, it's younger people that are watching my videos. So that's why I say we need to get a broader scope of what actually happens on your channel, because not everybody's going to watch your video right then. Okay, so you need to know how to pander to your audience in the grand scheme of things, because not everybody who has discovered your channel yet is within the last 28 days. Okay, so basically I need to make videos for people who are my specific age, maybe a little bit older, okay, but also it needs to be age friendly for the people who are younger than me. I look at 18-year-olds now, I'm like, God, that's a baby, you know? But I do have the 18 to 24 age gap, and that is, let me scoot over here, it's 26.8% of my audience. So definitely they're a good chunk of my audience. That's a lot. The people who are in my age range group, that is 28.5% of my audience. So you definitely need to learn how to read the analytics so that you can perform better in your video. The last thing that I'm going to go over with you guys is viewer gender. Now, I have, as of right now, I only have 481 lovely people who hit that subscribe button and love me, and I love you guys back. So, 58.5% of those people are women. And that is crazy because most people's numbers aren't as almost split as mine is. Now, if I bump it down to the last 28 days, all of my views and all of my everything is coming from only women. But now I have, within the past 90 days, we're doing a broad scope and a good generalization of my channel. 41.5% of the people who watch my channel are men. So my channel is almost 50-50 as far as people who watch my channel. Most channels don't make content that's both woman friendly and man friendly, let alone like age range friendly. So I think that's really important to keep in mind, that maybe a man just might be watching my channel, you know, for whatever reason. Maybe he's just getting started into makeup, but Google knows he's a man, you know, so they're gonna offer him man things, whatever those might be. But you know, that's really unique, I feel. And when I first started looking, because my channel has been like that since I began, I have very few man friends. I actually have one man friend. Hey Matt, if you're watching. But legitimately, not a lot of channels really gear their content towards both genders, especially mine being a beauty channel. I call it beauty things, and my beauty things, you know, can gear towards men as well as women, in the fact that I'm doing skincare, and just normally what I'm doing for my own particular skin, but that might help somebody else who has the same kind of skin that I do. So I think if this helped you out at all, please let me know in the comments down below if you discovered something that you just did not know. Please let me know. Okay, so that was my video on the geography, viewer age, and viewer gender of analytics, YouTube analytics. And if this helped you at all, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Or if you just liked my nice bubbly personality, please give me a thumbs up as well. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me, please. That would help me out a lot personally, and you know, it's for free. So I think you should totally do that, you know, just for me, you know. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.